Okay, y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Trish, and on this channel we discuss all things home, all things life, and just all of the different things. If you are into that type of content, let me give you a minute. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and tap it. I think you will enjoy it here. So y'all, today I am so excited. So excited. I love trying new things. I love doing new things, and I love creating content for you guys. So this idea that I came up with, it actually, let me not take all the credit. It actually derived from y'all. The people who was asking questions in my comments, the people who have sent me some emails, and just personally, people who asked me to help them like design their different spaces and stuff like that. I would love. Let's claim that for the future. Let's claim that I'll have more time that I can offer services on a one-on-one basis. But at this stage in my life, with 5 children, a husband, a job, and just extracurricular activities, I am not able to offer those services on a one-on-one basis. But I did come up with a solution. I think I have a solution for y'all. I think I do. We are going to start a new series today called Style in the Aisle. And let me just tell y'all what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to different stores, different box stores. So let me give you an example for like TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, HomeSense, At Home, Walmart, Target, different stores that have, whatever store has a home section, you'll probably find me there. And I'm hoping that these stores are local to you guys, so that if you enjoy or like, you know, the inspiration, the ideas that I see, that I show you guys, like I'm going to set up different spaces in the store. You can go to your local stores and try to either replicate it or just get, you know, something. This whole thing is just to get everybody's mind moving, get the creative juices flowing. And if you enjoy the actual space that I create in the store, hopefully the stores closer to you will have it in stock and you can just go purchase the items. You know, it's similar to putting the links in the description, but we can actually get out, move our bodies instead of sitting behind a computer and clicking. We can go to the stores and shop the aisles. So that's the idea. So that's the whole idea. Most stores, well, not gonna say most, some stores will have a link. So whatever space I create in the store, I will try to leave the links in the description. If the store does not have a link, like, you know, HomeGoods, Targets, TJ Maxx, sometimes they don't have links. What I'll do is I'll grab the style number off of the item, and then I'll put that in the description for you guys. So I am so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I feel like this is going to be helpful to many, and that's the goal. Like outside of everything else, that is the goal, to be helpful, to be educational. I don't know if I'm really entertaining to you guys, but whatever. So without further ado, let's go style in the aisle. All right, y'all, we're at HomeGoods. Let's go see what they have.
This is better than the mall. I don't have to carry those bags all around the mall.
All right, y'all, since we're looking for something to style, I'm gonna see if they have like any of the larger furniture pieces. So this is some of the things that they have on the shelves, and they have a nice amount of things today. So what we'll do is we'll pick a like console table or like an entry table, something like that, and we will style it. Ooh, this is really heavy. This is nice. I like this. And this is $39.99. I think this will look nice on a console table. So this will be our base. When you're designing a table or like an entryway table or just any type of space, you want to have something in mind. Like you want it to be functional, practical, but you also want it to like look aesthetically pleasing. So something like this, if you was using it for an entry table, you could throw your keys in here, just anything you need when you're like walking in and out the house. So we'll put that in the cart. I have beads here. This is like a nice item that you can use to style spaces. So they have 2 of them. I'll pick up both. We'll see how we can incorporate this. Today, I think with what we have, we can kind of go with like a modern traditional type look. So that's what I'm having. That's what I have in mind right now. Cool. I'm gonna try to incorporate this book. I really like this too. You see how, I don't know if I'm gonna use this today because I already picked up a piece, but we'll see. This is really nice. It has different sheens, so it gives it like some different dimension. I really like this. This is the same idea. You can use this in like a coffee table, an entry table. Oh, it's on sale too. $39. Yep, $39 for that. So maybe we'll use that next time. But I do like that, and they have different sizes. Okay, but right now I'm just trying to find some more items to style the table. So we have 1 book. Let's grab some more books. Let's see how these will look together. Okay, this is like textured, so I like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna go try to find 1 more book. Yeah, you like how that looks?
Yeah, and also people like Chanel, like a.
Yeah, so we'll see how we'll layer them, but we'll add that to cart. I like this too. We'll add this to cart. Okay. Still looking for some books. The ones I have are like white and black. I want to try to pull some of the colors from that bowl that I picked up. So this has like a little green and brown in it. So we'll try to incorporate this too. Add to cart. Frames, you can definitely use this to like put on a table, you know, if you want to have some pictures of your family that'll make the space feel cozy and just like personalize it. We'll come back to this section if I decide on the council table we need it, but I'm just looking to see what they have, to see what we can put together. I do like that frame. I do like these frames down here, so we'll see if we need them on the table. If so, I'll come back and pick them up, but just looking for right now to get some ideas. This is so crazy. I have so many different ideas in mind, but I'm trying to like stick to just doing one today. But I see some other items that I want to style. But we'll see. Let's stick to what we're doing. Okay, y'all. So I think we have decided to style this sideboard right here. Can you see it? Yeah, so we're going to style this sideboard. I picked up some items that I think will look good on it. So let's do that. Ooh. All right. It's a little dusty, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So we'll start that there. All right. Place this here. Place that. All right, y'all, so placed the books there, created this bowl here with the beads, and then I just want to place something here because you always want to like kind of break it up into 3. And since these things are low, I kind of want to create different heights. See how I put this on top of here just to kind of elevate it. And then I'm thinking to put like a lamp here. This would be nice if it was like at the front of someone's house and they had an outlet behind it. You know, like at night, you can just cut it on, or even during the day. So putting this lamp here creates different height. I do like it, but remember we're using what's in the store. I probably wouldn't use this bright white. Probably get something that's like an off-white and something that's all black here. But I think this is still nice though. So just wanted to create like some different options. So instead of having this here, we can just like place a candle here. Same thing, it creates like some elevation just to have things layered. And then if we wanted to keep this, we could just kind of place it here. I was looking for the little matches to see if they had it, because that would look nice just to add it here, because that would be practical. You know, if you're gonna have a candle, obviously you're going to eventually light it. So it would be nice to have like a cute little box of matches next to it. But they didn't have any that was small. They had like a real big, a large one. So that wouldn't work here. But this is like another option. And like I said, you want to keep it practical. So this would be nice in like an entry table, like when you're walking in the house. Although the beads are here, you can still place your keys here, or just like little things that you would need when you're walking in and out the house. And then this is also nice because it has these doors. things that you want to hide, like your shoes. You could place like a mat or something down in here, and then also hide your shoes in here also. But yeah, so this is designing a sideboard. Okay, y'all, so we are just getting back home from our very first style in the aisle. I hope that was fun for y'all. It was a good time for me. I was getting a little overwhelmed because I just wanted to focus on styling one thing today, but I was getting distracted by all the other items in the store. So yeah, you may have seen, I don't know if I'm going to put it in here or not, but you may have seen I was playing around with like a little table and a chair, and just was kind of playing around with that look also. But the main focus today was the console table. So I was going for like a modern traditional look, and I hope that was helpful to you guys. So if you're in a home that is currently traditional and you want to bring in some modern finishes, I feel like that would be a good medium. Like the sideboard had like those nice clean lines that leans more towards modern, and then we had the stone bowl on the top that could go either way. It could be traditional, it could be modern. It gives like a nice organic feel, and then pairing it with those beads allowed for that traditional element to come in, especially with it being that rustic type of tan color. So that wood finish, that I was trying to mix the modern with the traditional there. And then we had the lamp. I will say the lamp, it worked with the space, but I was working with what they had there in the store. I probably would have went with like a lamp that leaned a little more modern, just to bring everything together. And then we had the pile of books with like the lamp with the candle on the top. And even with the candle, you can switch out, you could have switched out the candle for like a small decor piece. I think I had like that X up there, that abstract like X on there, and then you can just switch things around and play with it. Yeah, so that was the focus for today. We styled a sideboard while we were in HomeGoods. I did get like the style numbers, so I will put those. I got the style numbers for like the books. I don't know if I grabbed the candle, but everything that I could, I did get the style number, so I will attach that down in the description. If y'all enjoyed it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If y'all know someone who may be interested, don't be greedy, share. You can just hit that arrow and share it to whoever it is that you like. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed, and they will just get better and better with time. Until next time, y'all, I will see y'all next week in the aisle. Peace.